Look at the bus there. Randomly you see people popping out on the roads. And some people complain about me honking, because see, I just can't without honking place my car there, because you don't know when the auto person takes a ride. It's very hard to believe in them and just put your car there. You should honk and tell that I am going to come there. Otherwise, good luck not getting hit by the autos in Hyderabad. So that's why I honk. Last time I got a lot of hate for honking when I was in my G63. That's a huge car. I can't take risk. I rather honk than getting hit in that car, because it will cost me a bomb to get it repaired. See, if that auto is not honking, he'll definitely get crushed in that space, because nobody is going to have a look at their right or left before squeezing into the other lane. See, I have to honk now, otherwise that fellow definitely will take a right and come onto my path. Like you see the car in front, from there they're just coming to the right. They don't give a damn. If you don't honk, they won't know you're there. So unless you walk in our shoes, you can't complain about honking. Yes, I know we have to minimize, but it is necessary sometimes. See, I have to honk, otherwise the bike guy will just come into my lane. So let me not honk. See, this is what is going to happen. Look at the bus there. That's what I was talking about. See, it's so unpredictable in here. So honking is definitely necessary. If I don't honk, somebody is going to hit me and they'll be like, why didn't you honk? So don't complain when I honk, guys. It is absolutely necessary. I feel good.